When you create a new file or make changes to an existing file in Illustrator, you'll need to save your work. Let's look at a few different ways to save. If you want to follow along, you can open this document from the tutorial practice files. With the file open, let's make a change to the artwork out here. So select the selection tool in the Tools panel and click on this piano icon to select it. To remove it, press Backspace or Delete. Now, in order to save this newly edited file, you can come up to the File menu up top and click Save. But in this case, you'll save a copy of this file so you can keep the original intact, essentially giving it another name by choosing Save As. So go ahead and choose Save As in this File menu. Now, in the Save As dialog box that opens, you can choose a different location to save the file if you like. I'll keep it in the same folder. Change the name, maybe by adding a hyphen and a version number at the end like this. That way you make a copy and also keep the original file. Make sure that Adobe Illustrator is the chosen format. We actually save and work in Adobe Illustrator files because everything is preserved so you can edit it later as you need. Then click Save to save a copy of the file. Now, whenever you save a file for the first time or you save a document as a copy, you'll see this dialog box after saving. This dialog box can seem a little overwhelming. The settings you see in here actually allow you to save an Illustrator file in a format that can be opened in earlier versions of Illustrator, among other more advanced options. In many cases, you can simply click OK, which is what we'll do now. So go ahead and click OK to save the file. In order for someone else to open and view the Illustrator file you just saved, they'll need to have Illustrator. And if they can open the file with Illustrator, they can probably edit it. At times, you may want to just send a visual copy of your file that anyone can view. You can do that by saving your document as a PDF. Now, to save your document as a PDF, go up to the File menu up top, choose Save As again. In the Save As dialog box, this time you can choose Adobe PDF as the format. Anyone with a free PDF reader can view this. In this menu, you'll also see other formats, including EPS, which stands for Encapsulated PostScript. EPS is a vector format for printing to PostScript printers and image setters. You'll also see an Illustrator template, which is one way to save an original Illustrator file and always open a copy of it. And finally, a few versions of SVG, or Scalable Vector Graphics, which we can use to save Illustrator artwork for use on websites and more. To save this file as a PDF, choose Adobe PDF. You can choose another location if you want, and click Save. In the Save Adobe PDF dialog box that appears, you can customize the options for the PDF you create. You can choose a preset from the Adobe PDF preset menu up here, depending on what the PDF is for. For instance, if you're going to post this PDF on a website, you might want to choose the smallest file size option. You can also select a category from the list on the left and customize those options as well. For now, leave all the options at their defaults and click Save PDF to save the file as a PDF. The PDF file is now open in Illustrator. Now that you understand how to save and what options are necessary, you can be sure to save your files early and often. Saving a file right after creating it ensures that it's saved to your system and is available later. Saving often saves the last state of the file, also ensuring that you can continue editing where you left off.